Tracy Kile and Jay Turner. Both these guys from North Carolina. Jay Turner, the multi-time champion. Tracy Kile, Bad Apple Racing, Asheville. Jay Turner from Julian. And actually, even though Jay Turner has the speed mark for Top Fuel Harley at over 237 miles per hour, I don't think we'll see anything close to that today. As that run was actually set out there at Wild Horse Pass back in 2020. And Bob Malloy set the ET record there at Indy at the U.S. National 2 years ago. So Tracy Kile left side, Jay Turner right side. First race of the year from Top Fuel Harleys. Here we go. Picking that front wheel, Tracy Kile, 648 at 211 miles per hour. Jay Turner had the better reaction time to launch, but then the run went away just after about 200 feet. It's Tracy Kile by 400ths of a second will slide into the number 2 spot. Jay Turner will go number 6. So Bob Malloy number 1, 644.1, 223. Tracy Kile in the 2 spot at 648.1. Chris Smith in the 3 spot at 660. 182. And John Toth running in the top 4.